In this lesson, we'll take a look at the D7 chord for guitar. So as always, we want to read our chords from the 6th string towards the 1st string. The first note that we need to fret is this 2, finger 2 on string number 3, 2nd fret, and then 1 and then 3. And so we're not playing the 6th and the 5th string for D7. So we go 2, 1, and then 3. And go 2, 1, and then 3. So there's no pressure right now. I'm just kind of placing my fingers and getting the muscle memory to take shape. 2, 1, 3. Okay, and then when you're ready, you're going to apply some pressure and play from the D string. And then relax the pressure. A few things you can look out for is the angle of your hand. So you can, sometimes when we angle the hand this way, it's really hard to get the notes out. You have to really press hard. So for this left hand alignment or the fretting hand alignment, this one's good for the C chords like this, or G7 like that, or this other G like that. So but when we're stacking fingers on the same fret, we want to have a nice angle like this, so that you can be next to the fret wire here and you don't have to use as much pressure. Good. So I'll just practice this a few times. So relaxing your hand and then placing your hand 2, 1, 3 without any pressure. 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. You can go slow. 2, 1, 3, and maintaining that angle. And when you're ready, just strum once. You're just trying to conserve your energy as you build your muscle memory here. The chords that this goes well with G. So this type of G. So we're using the 3rd finger on the 1st string, and then we're just going to move it this way. And then another chord is A7. We just move these two up. A7. All right, that's it for D7. If you found this helpful, please share it with somebody that you know that may benefit as well. Till next time, happy practicing, and I'll see you.